Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the easiest, simplest skincare routine for beginners, and it's divided into three. These are the three easiest, simplest skincare routine for beginners. If you're new to my page, thank you, and please click the subscribe button. But if you're an old viewer, thank you for stopping by all the time. So the three categories we're going to be talking about now is the sunscreen, the moisturizer, and the cleansers. And when you're trying to create a routine for yourself, you're meant to focus on your skin type. That is the most important thing. Skin type comes first before we start talking about skin issues like hyperpigmentations, dark spots, and so on. So the skin types are divided into four: the normal skin, the oily skin, the combination skin, and the dry skin. There are so many other skin types, but these are the main ones that we might talk about. We might chip in a little of this into this video. So let's start with cleansers. Cleansers can be divided or grouped into so many parts. There is the foaming cleanser, there is the micellar cleanser, there is the cream cleanser, there is the oil cleanser. Each of them have what they do. Each of them have the skin type that it best suits. For foaming cleansers, if you have a normal skin, it is perfect for you. The micellar cleansers, which is also the gel cleansers, are perfect for oily skin. If you have a normal skin, you can use any of them. Then the oil cleansers are best for everybody when you're double cleansing. And like I told you guys, double cleansing is perfect for all nights. Like every night you're meant to be double cleansing, and those are like the varieties of cleansers. The second one are the moisturizers. There are so many moisturizers. There are moisturizers that are thick on the skin, and there are ones that are lightweight. If you have an oily skin, I would advise you to go for the moisturizers that is lightweight, but if you have a dry skin, you can go for thick moisturizers. And also, people that can use thick moisturizers are people that are exfoliating. Example, when you're using tretinoin, retinol, any of those acids, salicylic acid, and all those things, you're supposed to use a thick moisturizer to avoid irritation from all those products. Then the final one is your sunscreen. Sunscreen is like the most important step in your skincare routine. Like in the morning skincare routine, if you don't use sunscreen, that means whatever it is you're planning to treat, it's going to take time, especially if you're having hyperpigmentations and dark spots. Trust me, it's going to take way longer time, when in fact you might not even get rid of those things if you don't use your sunscreen. So sunscreens are they are very, very important in your routine. So these are the three important skincare routine that a beginner should start with. Then when you have some other skincare issues like hyperpigmentations, acne, melasma, hyperpigmentation, that is when you can now start chipping in exfoliants. And some exfoliants can be inside the cleansers, exfoliants can be inside the moisturizer, exfoliants can be inside a serum, exfoliants can also be inside a toner. But also, when you're having hyperpigmentation, you need to get a serum that has melanin inhibitors. Melanin inhibitors are those things that can suppress the melanin producing factor in your body. Your body will not be producing so much melanin, thereby reducing the level of hyperpigmentations that you have on your skin. So let's talk about how to know your skin types, because like I said earlier, you need to know your skin type before you choose a create a routine for yourself. You need to have a little or more knowledge of your skin type. Let's start with oily skin. How to know you have oily skin? After washing your face with a gentle cleanser, you can use a gentle soap like the Dove soap I mentioned earlier. After cleansing your face with it, you wait for 10 minutes to 30 minutes. If you have oil all over your face, just know that you have an oily skin. If you have oil here, 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 just know that you have a combination skin, and the combination skin is it's combined with oily skin and dry skin, because your cheeks might be dry. If you have a dry skin, that means your skin is going to feel very tight. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you guys for you to understand. Like, if you have a dry skin after washing your face and you don't apply anything on your face will feel so tight after 1 to 2 hours. That shows that you have a dry skin. When you have sensitive skin, sensitive skin is whatever you use on your skin will always like cause problems for you. You use gentle cleanser, it will give you rashes. You use a moisturizer, it will give you rashes. There is nothing you use on your skin that doesn't give you rashes. That is when you know that you have a sensitive skin. And for sensitive skin girlies, there are other products. There is this cleanser for you, there is a moisturizer for you, and there is a sunscreen for you. So I believe that you all watched this video to the very end and you all know your skin type. From that your skin type, you can now create something that best suits your skin. If you have more complicated skincare issues, that is when you either see a skincare esthetician or a dermatologist if you have the money. So I hope that this video helped that beginner out there. And I hope and believe that you're going to do everything this video said. You have to listen, because if you don't listen, your skin will not listen to you. You have to listen to your skin for your skin to listen to you. Thank you all, and please subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up if you want more videos like this.